Son of a bitch. Well, good morning, YouTube. It's about 8 a.m. on Monday morning. This is basically a follow-up to the video I made repairing the Saturn inflatable boat, which turned out to be almost 3 days of wasting my time. What happened is that I repaired the seam, which held, and when I blew it up, what essentially happened was that each repair I made started another leak, and so, as I said, I kind of chased around the leaks for the best part of 3 days, and in the end I thought, no, this is a piece of shit, I might as well just dump it and get rid of the damn thing. So although it looks like a brand new boat, in fact it was a piece of crap and a lemon, a waste of, well, if I include my time, but at close to $1,000. It turns out the pump that came with it was no good. I can't get that to work properly. It won't charge. I put a new battery in it, it still won't charge. I contacted the manufacturer to try to find out what I'm doing wrong, and they didn't get back to me. So, all in all, this was a $1,000 lemon. The only thing I managed to rescue out of it was the launch wheels that were attached to the transom. They're actually a decent pair of launch wheels. So I'm trying to find myself a decent spot where you can see me, but as well that I don't have the sun in my eyes. So anyway, what I'm going to do now is, the boat is all wrapped up. It's on my my little moving dolly. I'm going to put the trash out today, and that boat is going alongside the trash. So here it is, out by the trash. I'm just going to move it over so I can lean it over with that post right there. So yep, conclusion, as I try to move this trash can, I didn't think I would buy another inflatable boat used, because you don't really know what you're getting. And second, as I said, with this one, after spending $800 on it, with plus actually going to get it, which was a 6-hour round trip, plus the gasoline, plus the time, buy a new one. Suspecting that this is probably what would happen, I purchased a Briss 12'6" heavyweight fishing boat, which I haven't even gotten out of the box yet. So I don't even know at this point. That one will stay up. On top of everything else, chasing around all the leaks, eventually the floor started to leak as well. So I thought that was the final straw. I thought, man, this is not a safe boat to go out on. So I decided to scrap it and cut my losses. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, share, and like, and I'll see you on the next one.